bumalik na naman ako dito sa aking munting room, munting tahanan kasi ayoko talaga sa Legazpi. Kahit anong gawin nyo, ayoko magstay sa Legazpi kasi unang-una, mainit. Pangalawa, nagugutom ako doon kasi I am spending my own money, I have to budget things, and dito, pag nasa bahay ako, libre lahat. So, pangatlo is, walang kape, okay? Hindi ako nagkakape dun sa Legazpi kasi sa boarding house namin, walang mainit na tubig. Meron naman, pero sa may, sa may sarili, hihingi kami dun sa may, ari ng bahay, or sarili ng bahay. Just, nasa-challenge talaga ang pagiging Pilipino ko kasi hindi ako, medyo lawi ako mag-Tagalog or mag-Pilipino kasi. Pero so far, medyo okay naman yung pag-speak. Pag ano ka ng Filipino kasi most kasi ng mga kaklase ko, dialogue namin is Tagalog or Filipino or whatsoever. So today is babiyahe ako mamaya papuntang Legazpi at uuwi lang kasi may pasok kami and NSTP na yan, parusa. Joke lang. Parusa talagang NSTP na yan. Nakakainis kasi may Saturday class kami and NSTP lang yun. And magbabiyahe ako around 12 p.m. And then 3 naman yung namin, yung pasok. So, baka malita ako mga 30 minutes. I don't know. But, ayun, utot lang talaga ako sa Legazpi mamaya. Like, just for the 3 hours. Yeah, 3 hours lang na pasok. Uuwi lang naman ako ng Naga kasi Sunday, tomorrow, Monday, walang pasok. At Tuesday is Bichala, kung ano man yan. May nag-chat. Anyway, yun lang naman. Maliligo na ako mamaya. Pero, pa lang naman. Like, magta-10 pa lang. So, mga 10:15, muna ako. Maliligo na ako. Basta 11, makalis na ako ng bahay. I think I'll eat a little lunch lang naman. Kasi medyo mabigat na yung breakfast ko. I don't know. So, ayun lang. Kita mo na, gagawa na tayo ng mga... Miss ko talaga yung PC ko. Like, every time nandito, parang, I miss my setup, I miss my PC kasi masarap talaga ako guys sa Legazpi sa boarding house. Parang, I am no one without my PC. I am nobody without my PC. Sige na, ang dami kong daga, di puta.
Naiinis na ako sa microphone na to. Gamit ako ng gamit, pero wala na naman palang audio. Pucha. Anyway, nabura agad. Diyan ba itong angle na to? Or like this kind of angle? Okay. Anyway, guys. Ano bang plano ko sa channel na to? Actually, wala. Kasi pag nagpaplano ako ng mga bagay-bagay, di ko siya nasusunod. So, feeling ko wala. Pero I have some little bit of inspo for this channel. Hindi ko kasi alam if i-film ko yung daily life ko as a struggling student. Feeling ko kasi ang boring. Kasi, sa school namin, yes! Walang pasok! Wait! Asynchronous! Wait lang, guys! Tuwang-tuwa na naman ang person kasi kinancel. Wala, asynchronous lang yung NSTP namin ngayon. So, yes! Yes, yes, yes. Anyway, nainis ako sa microphone na to kasi hindi na siya kumakagat. So, parang tanga ganito ako ng ganito pero mapipick up lang naman pala ng phone ko is yung audio from microphone. So, anyway. Nandito nag-turn on ang PC ko. By the way, guys, okay, talking about, okay, magiging podcast lang to or whatsoever, walang pakialam. Okay, let's talk about this channel. Iniisip ko kasi, wow, miss ko taga ang PC ko. Iniisip ko kasi kung ano magiging future nito, if magiging, siya, ewan kasi i-film yung daily life ko as a student. Kasi feeling ko, wala naman manunood. And to be fair, and to be honest, marami ng mga students sa school namin or sa university gumagawa ng D99. So parang, very boring na. So ngayon, ang gagawin sa very boring. Pero marami na. So ang gagawin natin, saka kumbaga, wala parang, pakialam, oh my God, what happened to you, honey babe? Hi, kunya, parang, marami nang gumagawa. So, inisip ko, dapat maging different tayo. Okay, so, naisip ko na, ang mga shorts ko, I'm gonna stick on vlogging. Ewan ko sabihin ng vlogging, pero I'm gonna stick on YouTube or whatsoever. Kasi ayoko kasi pumunta sa world ng TikTok. Kasi pag pumunta ako sa world ng TikTok, hindi ko maraming taong makakilala sa akin, like relatives ko, other people. Sa YouTube, hindi. So, sa YouTube, parang kailangan mo muna maraming videos bago ka makilala. Gets niyo ba? And pupunta rin ako sa YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reel. Yan lang yung plano ko kasi feeling ko, kunti lang yung tao makakalaman. And hindi ko naman goal yung, hindi naman hindi, pero I think hindi naman talaga main goal yung maraming tao ang manonood sa akin. I just really want to document it. And hindi ako masira ng ulo, kakaaral, okay? Una-una kasi hindi ako nag-aaral. So, like, probati. Anyway, so yun, ako pumunta sa world ng TikTok. Unless, pag-isipan ko. Pero most likely hindi. Under ko yung password ko. Keyboard ASMR. Most likely hindi. So, hindi ako pupunta sa world ng TikTok. So, feeling ko if ever oo, may inarantak ako. Anyway, so, ayun. I really want to have that cinematic kind of video. Pero, hindi ko kasi time consuming So, mag-edit lang ako sa MacBook kong MacBook ang hina, as in ang hina ng MacBook. Kasi pag mag-edit kasi ako, mag-edit lang ako ng isang araw, no? Kasi diba, parang isang araw lang ako mag-edit. If sa PC ako mag-edit. Kasi guys, uuwi talaga ako dito for editing lang. I wish I can do that, but I can't. Kasi as time comes, pag medyo very busy ng akats, hindi ako makauwi dito time to time. So mag-edit talaga ako kung ano yung kaya ng mag-edit ako sa MacBook ko, kung ano lang kaya ng MacBook ko. Kasi yung MacBook ko guys, Air. So 2019 pa. So, sa mga sugar daddy dyan, baka naman. Joke lang po, joke lang. Papatayin ako ng parents ko. Anyway, yun lang naman. Um, maraming nag-chat yung mga kaklase ko, Dad, basta na-synchronous yung yung mga yung NSDP namin kasi bakit kasi Saturday? Dapat kasi pinush na yan nung Friday. At least makauwi din ako pag Sabado, no? Sino ba ang gumawa ng schedule? Wala, nag-chat yung black rep namin. Okay, sige na nga. Magdami kong dada. Okay, sige guys. Bye. I'll see you later. Hello. We don't have classes today. Thank God. Today we are just um going to do things, a lot of creative things. And I have no idea if I'm the only person who's like this. Like a lot of things are just coming in my mind to do this and that, but at the end of the day, I can't do any of those. Or I don't do any of those. Maybe I'm not the only one. I don't know. God bless the tea girls. My fucking Spotify. By the way, I bought a new tripod, like a longer version, like a better version, because I have a tripod here, but it sucks. I bought a new one, hoping that I can create a lot of things, with that tripod. So, yes, I'm gonna edit this right away so I can upload it tonight or tomorrow. So basically, you know what? Let's just film. Let's not do a lot of rant. I am hungry right now. I'm gonna eat lunch. It's already like 12:30, and I've been watching Lynn's video and it's super good, but I am hungry. I've been drawing, by the way. I'm drawing humans again because lately I have been illustrating or doing. Wait, let me just get. There we go. So this that's so ugly, but I don't know. I'm just getting into it anyway. Going back, and there's some illustrations, cute ones. I'm planning to make this as a sticker though. So yeah, it's good when I sketch it on Sketchbook, but when I transfer it on my iPad, it's literally the worst thing you could ever see, like the worst illustration ever. I'm gonna eat my lunch first because I'm quite hungry. So, and our lunch is about like damn, I miss about. Everybody misses about anyway. Ah, hi. Hello. Hi. You know. Hello. Oh, a new look. New look feeling, no. I just took a bath or a shower and I slept, okay? Wait, let me okay, I slept for probably 3 hours and ate pancit canton. Okay, so this is what I did for the almost whole afternoon. I slept for 3 hours. I ate pancit canton. I cleaned the dog's place and took a shower. Like, that's it. Yan lang yung ginawa ko this afternoon. And wala pa ako kalahati sa to-do list ko, but that's fine. Oh, I forgot to make coffee though. Okay, magagawa ko ng coffee. downstairs. And hopefully, I can do some creative stuff. Mamaya na ako mag-aaral. Planning to study for like 2 to 3 hours. Question mark pa rin yan. But yeah. Alam nyo guys, this is just a thought. So, podcast with me na naman to. But this is just a thought na, ang arte ko magsalita, di puta. Anyway, this is just a thought na, noon, nung senior high school ako, I cannot study for 2 hours straight. Okay, kasi, I used to use, ginagamit ko dati was the Pomodoro technique, which I think it's not a good thing to use for me. I don't know about you guys, but maybe Pomodoro works for you, but it doesn't really works for me like, efficiently, kumbaga. Kasi, what I realized that whenever I use Pomodoro, I always have the sense of, alam mo yung, di ba, set yung timer for 25 minutes? Pag, alam mo yung parang masabi, ayoko na mag-aral. Then, titingnan mo yung timer mo, ay shit, 16 minutes pa, ayoko na mag-aral, parang ganun. Pero, pag nag-start ka ng stopwatch, wala kang titingnan kung ilang oras yung kailangan mo. Basta maximum lang is 1 hour. Gets nyo ba? So, instead of using Pomodoro, I do recommend using stopwatch for an hour. Like, basta mag-set ka lang ng stopwatch and tingnan mo pag check mo na lang siya if hindi naman check mo siya time to time, but check mo siya if feel mo na parang matagal ka na sa upuan, medyo masakit na yung likodan mo. And that is the time when you have to check. And then if tumungtong na yung 1 hour, then stopwatch mo. And that is the time that you should take a break for 10 minutes or 15 or for me 10 kasi di ba sa Pomodoro 25 and then 5 minutes break. So 25 plus 25, do the math. It's 50 and then 5 plus 5, so you do the math, okay? But you got it. So and naman guys, I do not recommend Pomodoro. I recommend stopwatch, okay? So yun naman. And by the way, I have very nice, very amazing news. I don't have a lot of back knee anymore. Like, nakita ko kanina. Oh my god, why am I sharing this? But kanina, I look up kanina and hindi naman ko I don't have back knee anymore. Like, damn. Yes, I don't have back knee and I only have, hindi naman sila disappear siya, but I actually didn't use salicylic acid soap kasi hindi ako nakapagbili. Pero ngayon, I bought salicylic soap na. So, I don't know. So, kumaga. But this is the thing that I started using for the past few weeks. Unang-una was the silicone brush. Kasi ba, yung silicone brush. Basta, dito na lang silicone brush if nasa mood ako mag silicone brush, show yourself. And then, pangalawa, ginagamit ko yun every night. So, yun. Yung napansin ko rin, wala na ako yung parang Filipino ng kalag. Basta yung color black, pag nag-scratch ka, especially when you're sweaty, may makukuha ng parang black sa body mo. And I think that's normal. Hindi naman siya, I think hygiene-wise, hindi naman siya kadiri. But I think that's normal when you're very sweaty. But ngayon, na sweaty ako, whenever I'm sweating, pag nagbabagan ako, wala akong nakukuha black. So like, or hindi ko lang, pero ano kasi, palagi kasi short nails ako. But I do recommend the silicone brush kasi nabudol ako ng TikTok. So, yun. Do you want some links? Feeling ko naman may nanonood, but who knows? Someone, like, may nanonood pala hindi ko ako nanonood pero walang pala. Anyway, pangalawa is that I use antibacterial soap, which is Bioderm. In the morning, Bioderm, but at night, I use Bioderm and Dove. Kasi pag nagda-Dove kasi ako pag morning, ang init, as in, as a pawisin girl, like, ang init guys ng Dove, seryoso. Okay, so, especially if nasa gas ka pa. So, double daddy guys. So, I recommend using antibacterial soap, especially if pawisin ka gaya ko. I recommend Bioderm, the cooling effect, maganda yun. And then, yun. And then, use salicylic soap. I think that works kasi nag-work. Hindi ko nag-work siya kasi nag-stop na ako. So, I hope gumana yung salicylic ko. So, actually kasi prescribe yun ng dermatologist ko. Yun ko lang napansin na okay lang naman pala yung skin ko. Like, okay lang naman pala siya. Ako lang talaga yung problema. I just need a little bit of coverage. So, I'm trying to save up some money for makeup. But the thing is that, I don't know, una-una is, I don't know how to use makeup. And second of all, pawisin ako. So, I'm going to look some products or some things that can lessen my sweatiness. Meron kasi ako nakita sa TikTok, which is the 3B gel. But yung 3B gel kasi it's expensive, okay? For 10 grams, it's like almost 400. So, I don't think that's worth it. So, I'm gonna find other product that will, lessen my sweatiness. But for now, wala pang pera. Maybe in the next future, maybe in the next time, nag-makeup na ako. Anyway, hindi ako nag-comb ng hair kasi, wala. But now, I'm going to make some coffee and I'm going to draw some stickers kasi feeling ko, yun yung, basta kasi hindi ako nakakapag-drawing everyday. Kasi, alam nyo, pag I feel so, hindi ako creative kasi parang I'm still adjusting and stuff. Like, oh my god, am I guilt tripping myself? I don't know, I don't care. But, my god, 6 minutes na pala ako nag-rap. But anyway, ayun, parang hindi ako nag-draw, but I'm gonna draw, okay? I'm gonna draw some stickers and also some films, for my sticker business. Kasi, instead of pinapang shopping ko sa mga anik-anik sa buhay ko, iniipon ko siya for my sticker business kasi I guess that's just a dream of mine for the past few years. Sadyang hindi lang siya napupush kasi unang tamad ako at pangalawa wala akong pera. But ngayon na medyo luwag-luwag na yung buhay ko, hindi ako joke with you have to cut that. Medyo maluwag-luwag na sa buhay. I'm saving some money for my sticker business. And but now, I don't think no one will buy kasi wala pa naman yung product or wala pa naman pinupost sa social media. So as long as ngayon na maaga pa at wala pa kaming school project or mabigat sa school works, I'm going to focus more on my stickers and creative stuff kasi I know for sure pag tumungtong na ang September and October, wala na, hindi na ako makikita ng nag-vlog kasi it's either tulog or nag-aaral. Alam mo guys, I have this parang toxic relationship with sleep. Pag instead of i-aral ko siya, tinutulog ko siya. I don't know, palagi ako, like ever since noon, palagi akong natutulog. Mas pinipili kong matulog kaysa mag-aral. And I still ace the exam though. So, I don't know, maybe it's just, hindi naman like 100% na-ace, hindi siya palagi. But na-ace ko siya time to time. So, I don't know, maybe sleep is really important. But at least important din mag-aral, hindi lang yung puro tulog. Okay. Sige, that's already like 8 minutes of this video. I have to cut things or 8 times to ko na lang. Okay, bye. Hello, I'm back. So I make some coffee. Taste test. Lasang cream, lasang gatas. To be honest, I'm not a fan of this kind of coffee though kasi it's just more on cream. But wala na kasi kaming coffee mate. And ayoko naman mag-drink ng black coffee as pure kasi I don't know. Okay, that's enough chit chat. Let's draw. Hello. I actually, okay, ano ko lang na-realize na ang sarap para maging pabuhat. I'm just kidding, no, it's not good. Because we had this activity for our school this upcoming week. And then wala akong naambag, guys. Like, okay, parang nagagets ko na rin yung perspective ng mga pabuhat. Kasi first things first, hindi ko kilala yung mga kaklase ko. They're like, mga blockmates ko, hindi ko sila kilala. And then like, I want to help, but I don't know how to ask or how to do the help. Kasi feeling ko nadadala, ginagawa na nila eh. So, hindi ko alam. Maybe ako na lang yung magpiprint. Ako na guys magka-cut. Okay? But anyway, that's fine. I made an illustration. It's like a very cute pug. I hope you can see. I hope you can see it. It's like a pug, and it's not revolutionary whatsoever, but I don't mind. But it's so cute. I have a pug downstairs named Pangit, and I'm gonna walk her like tomorrow because we've been on cage for almost a week now because I'm away and they're not being taken care of. So anyway, this is a cute pug, and I found a new brush, like a brush that could literally, literally, could just blend in. But yeah, so far so good, I guess. Anyway, when it's already 7:30, 1:08. I'm gonna eat dinner at 8, and after dinner, I'm gonna study. By the way, I'm watching Aliana's Ross vlog. Filipino siya, guys, malamang. Yeah, it's Aliana Ross. Aliana Ross vlog, and her vlog is super cute, and I want to have that kind of vlog. Pero more on ano lang talaga ako ngayon. So far, more on talking, but I'm gonna show you later some more on doing and stuff. Anyway, I'm still gonna draw, and I'll see you there for dinner. Bye. Cream cheese. I have no idea. Baka sira na to, but who knows? Better siya pag toasted. But yes. Anyway. Long live, I guess.
Buyer ng 7,500 pesos. Ang brand new, ano, nasa 100 to 200,000.